Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is old memory. I worked in an office when I got out of college for a while, and I was a salesman. And my first boss man, he was great. He hired me under another company, which he knew what he was doing. That way, they were going to be bought out the next day after I was officially hired, so I'd be vested into the new company the way the contracts read. And he did me and one other guy like that, and just had an amazing time while he was there. But in the office we had, they were renting it, and there was a big red spot on the carpet right as you came in to the lobby area. So we kind of complained about it. A lot of customers asked, and we'd say, "Well, so they've already took the body out," and we'd get a laugh and we let it go at that. Well, David got there pretty early every morning, so one of the other guys had a key, so we went there and we outlined like a body was there, and it was back when you had the big walkie-talkie like cell phones. We outlined one of those on the carpet too, and so we were kind of in the back, not saying anything. And he walked in and saw that, and he pulled it all up. It didn't take but half a minute to pull everything up. He pulled it up and saw me and the other guy. And, all right, come to my office. Now y'all did it, and we claimed we did. We eventually took the Fifth Amendment on it, and so we had to buy him lunch to get out of it. But he went on to bigger and better things, and we got another supervisor who didn't find life as funny. And in our break room, which nobody was in there with employees, I put a thing up on the bulletin board giving away mixed puppies. They were part Chihuahua and part Great Dane. And the thing stayed up there the whole time I was there. And I imagine it took on a life of its own after I left. Well, somebody had gotten another something because they were pretty dissatisfied with our new boss man and said, if this has been an actual job, you'd be appreciated. And there was a whole big thing. I used to have it memorized, but not so much anymore. Well, the new boss man thought I'd put it up there. He brought my name up in a meeting to that effect, that I was one who put it up there and he was going to deal with me. So I'd already got like 8 phone calls of people telling me. So I walked right into his office, slammed the door, and asked him what he had to say to me. And he said, well, I know you put that up there. And I didn't even know what he was talking about. And I said, I don't know what you're talking about. I said, all I know is, I put the one about dogs. He said, no, you know which one I'm talking about. Well, I didn't, because I didn't know anything about it. Well, the sales manager came in, and she told him, she said, I put it up there and people copied it. And she said, I didn't know anything about it. So I made him apologize to me in a meeting. And I told him, I said, if you don't apologize to me, we're going to have a problem. So he apologized to me, and I didn't like the environment anymore. So it wasn't too long after that I finally left and went out on my own. But had a lot of fun there for a while. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.